Hi, I'm Miguel Hernandez from Catholic University, and we're going to talk about acute otitis media. I'm sorry, just a second. Okay, definition. In the United States, acute otitis media is defined by convention as the first 30 weeks of process in which a middle ear shows the sign and symptom of acute inflammation. It's the most common application necessary in medical therapy for children younger than 5 years. This is a common disease in children, young adults, and children maybe 2, 3, even 5 to 6 years. Because we have, when we were children, when we were born, a tooth that connects the nasopharynx to the middle ear. This tooth is the Eustachian tooth that connects those locations, and the middle ear or the nasopharynx, maybe more than the middle ear, is infected by germs, bacteria, and may produce pus that make the inflammation and the symptoms of this kind of disease.
Pathology of otitis media. When the eustachian tube is blocked due to allergy or infection in the upper part of the respiratory tract, fluid accumulates in the middle ear behind the eardrum. This causes an infection and the middle ear gets inflamed, a condition known as otitis media. The buildup of pressurized pus in the middle ear causes earache, swelling, and redness. Since the eardrum cannot vibrate properly, one has decreased hearing. Also, there is a feeling of fullness or pressure in the ear, with dizziness, loss of balance, nausea, vomiting, and fever. Sometimes the eardrum ruptures and pus drains out of the ear. But more commonly, the pus and mucus remain in the middle ear due to the swollen and inflamed eustachian tube. This condition is serious because of the severe earache and hearing loss it can create. Hearing loss, especially in children, may impair learning capacity and even delay speech development. Otitis media is also serious because the infection can spread to nearby structures in the head. Thus, it is very important to recognize the symptoms of middle ear infections and to get immediate attention from your doctor. However, if it is treated promptly and effectively, hearing can almost always be restored to normal. Tips to prevent middle ear infections for infants.
Okay, applications in medicine. In the millennium, practitioners are forced to learn the lessons of history because they may serve as our model of practice without effective antimicrobial agents. In other words, for the time being, antibiotics remain the initial therapy of choice for acute otitis media. This is a video when we see that tympanic membrane is inflammation, and we have this redness around it. nothing much, so some kind of pulse right here. Okay, we are watching this tympanic membrane with the otoscopy. Pros and cons. Pros. Antibiotics remain the initial therapy of choice for acute otitis media. Analgesics and antipyretics have a finishing role in symptomatic management. The constants and antihistamine do not appear to be effective, but reduce the initial symptoms. This congestion. The consequences of this disease is has different stages. The intertemporal is in the bone, intertemporal, intercranial, and systemic. Intertemporal is the perforation of the tympanic membrane, acute cause of mastoiditis, facial nerve palsy, this side of the face. If you see the right of the left, right or left. Acute labyrinthitis is you see that all around you. Bursitis, acute necrotic otitis, or development of chronic mastoiditis media. Intracranial is the meningitis, encephalitis, brain abscess, otitis hydrocephalus, subarachnoid abscess, subdural abscess, or sigmoid sinus thrombosis. This stage in cranial is a very critical stage because this kind of symptoms is very, very dangerous for the neonates or the children. And the systemic, the most dangerous systemic is include bacteremia, septic arthritis, or bacterial endocarditis. We have to manage this stage as very, very tiny acute medication because this systemic is in all the body and it's very dangerous. Issue pineapple culture and sensitive of a specimen from a fresh perforation of a tympanocentesis may be helpful. Computed tomography may be necessary to determine if a complication has occurred. Otherwise, imaging studies are unnecessary. Magnetic resonance imaging might be more appropriate for diagnosis of fake intracranial complications.
Hi everybody, this is Dr. Ephraim coming back to you with another case of otitis media. In this case there is thick miliary fluid, and it's called glue-mirror actually. So we use topical anesthesia to again anesthetize the eardrum. The difference between this exam and this ear drainage and the prior one is
well, we have here the tympanic membrane is a process where to take it out this accumulation of pus. The doctor have to put analgesic, top-down analgesic, this is phenol, and then we made an incision, and then we have to absorb this kind of secretion that is pus. That is the cause of inflammation and the symptoms that the children feel. That kind of painful. It's really painful. In conclusion, death from acute otitis media is rare in the area of modern medicine. We have effective antibiotic therapy as the systemic signs of fever and lethargy should be beginning to disappear, along with a locally safe pain within 48 hours. Thank you.